You're a doer, a DIYer. You know that in life, getting a job done and getting it done right are two different things. At Lund, we know that what's true in life is also true on the road. It's our dedication to doing things the right way that has made us the world's leading brand of automotive accessories. Since our founding in 1965, we've learned a few things about the value of craftsmanship and standing behind what you sell. And today, our products set the standard for design, engineering, and innovation. From vent visor side window deflectors and hood protection to truck bed covers, toolboxes, and more, we deliver the tools that help you make the very most of your vehicle. This means protection you can count on, value you can trust, and quality that's backed by a lifetime warranty. Because if you're going to do it right. With Lund, premium style, lasting performance.